Today, we are going to look into the window functions. Basically, we have seen the few of the window functions like partition by and we use order by also. So those are also the part of window functions. So let's see what is the logic of Windows function and how it works. Basically, in window function, what we have, we we are extracting specific information or doing a particular calculation within the table using a particular functions only. Okay, like in select statement, as you've seen, if I talk about the second one first, then we have already seen this particular function, right? Like select job title, average salary over job title, right? So if we will look into it, right? Average salary, job title, so it is from employee salary table, right? So executing it, it will give us specifically the average salary, right? And second thing, by using this particular window function, in window function, over aggregated function plus a over function is there. Okay. In over function, inside the over function, you can use different type of categories like order by, partition by, like this. Okay. So order by and partition by, these two things to be used in over, and before over you use some ranks and those kind, rank, average, sum, minimum, maximum, count. Okay. So we will see today also some more some different kind of functions that can be used to find out particular calculations that can be possible by just using joins or other functions. Okay. And second thing, while you are using window functions, okay, there is no need to use uh, where clause or group by clause or any other additional function you don't need to use. So it's a combination of two things, one aggregated function and an over function. And in this over function, order by and partition by will be used. Okay. So we just executed this one where we are calculating the average salary. Okay. And average salary as per the job titles. So here we are having the average of accountant salaries, and we can easily identify from the salesman's salary also that for a particular job title, the average salary is divided or categorized. Okay. Similarly, for the first one, if we will look into it, that select employee ID, first name, last name, salary. Okay. So here we are having a salary. So definitely here we need join function because we are having two different tables, right? So just using the join with EMP salary, okay, and say on employee dot employee ID equals to EMP salary dot again employee ID. Okay, so both the tables will be merged and the salary will be extracted also. So now if we execute it, it is giving us an error. Just hold on. Employee identity is ambiguous. Okay, here we need to mention because here it got confused from where I will take it. Employee dot employee. Okay, now if you run, you can see that it is giving us a particular ranks according to the salaries, right? Understand the thing. This is a function that is a rank, okay? A rank, or you can say sometime you can make it as a number also. Like in views, I think yesterday we used something. Is it here? No, yesterday we have not used that. Okay, so here instead of a rank, you can use rolling numbers also, and there are few more uh, functions are there that you can use because what you need to use here, that is, you just need to put a serial number basically, right? And rank will arrange create a column that will give you the results in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, okay, in ascending order, right? So a rank will give you the numberings, and here what we have done, we just ordered the salary in descending order. So it will be from the highest to the lowest. That's it. Simple. It's just given a rank also. That okay, these are the ranks of different employees. So as per performance, as per their gradings, as per their you can say appraisals, as per their increased salary, as per their employee ID, by anything, you can put them in the ranks. Got it? Okay. So next thing, because each and every window function have a different functions, right? So here, see what we are doing. We are calculating the things as per the age. Here also we are partitioning it by the job title. So again, I need the same join. Okay. So here, see, calculate the difference in age between each employee and the oldest employee in this department. So what we are doing here, let's see, will it execute or give us the, you can say, error? So here also I need to mention employee, employee or employees. Two tables are there. I need employee table. Where is employees dot employee ID? That's fine. So here, what it says, we need the age difference of the employee of maximum age and the present employee. Suppose uh, Michael have the maximum age, so all of the age will be minus from the Michael's age. That's why maximum of the age I need, right? And need to partition it by the job title because what is the requirement? Requirement is as per their department, okay, and minus the age of the current employee, okay. So let's see what is the result we are getting. We are getting error. Employees is not there. There is employee. Okay. So the thing here you are getting is something like this. Okay. The age differences from the oldest, it is calculating within the departments. So if it will calculating the age, here it is getting age differences from the oldest 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 9 like this. So here we need to take the job title also. So basically we will understand that from which department it is calculating the things. Okay. Now here you can understand that both are of same age in accounts. Got it? Both are from the same age in the accounts. That's why the difference is of the age is 0. Receptionist, regional manager, and supplier relations, they are only one in the department. That's why the difference is again 0. But here in salesman, you have recognized that our function is working by observing that, okay, the highest age or the maximum age is 38. So the difference from it of Jim is 8 years. And for Dwight, the difference is of 9 years, right? So this is how you can put any calculations basically in window function. So this kind of calculations, if you will put in a normal functions, you will take more calculations, more you can say functions. You need to define more things, right? And relations. So here you can see partition by function is helping us to identify the different departments and for the classifications basically. So it makes the things easy to have a calculated fields. Okay. So these calculated fields are very much useful when you are having your data and a specific requirement is there. Okay. And to fulfill that specific requirement, you need calculated fields. So these are the functions that are used for calculating a particular thing and implementing it by introducing or by creating a new column. Okay. So next, now see the dance rank. You have seen the rank function. Okay. Now let's see the dance function. There is no employee. So here again, I need the join function and employee ID, that is EMP, employee dot employee ID, last name, job title, age. Okay. So now let's execute it and then discuss on it. Here, check how it is giving you the ranks and distributing it according. So when you assign the rank, as per the salary, you assign the rank, but that time also I don't think the salary are same also there. Same salaries are not there. Okay. Is it? No. Same salaries are not even here also. So basically, understand what is rank and what is dance rank. Here you can see according to the job title. Okay. Just think once that we are calculating the rank over partition by job title. According to job title, we have to divide. That is the departments, basically. Okay. And again, order it by the age. Okay. And it gives you the age rank, right? Here, you can see that when we are talking about the accounts, the age rank is 1 and 1 again, because here you are calculating according to the age. So if the age is same, it is giving me 1 and 1, right? If I replace it and replace it by rank, okay, then you can see the same thing is coming, because according to the age, it is 1 and 1 only, right? So what is the difference? What is the difference in between these two? Okay, so understand like this: when you are using rank function, okay, so rank function is the basic function. That's why what it will do, it will assign 1 1 1 1 for the same, and then say rank 2. Okay, let me take one example so that it will be clear. Say as per age only you are calculating it. Okay, so let's say age of 30, 31, 31, 32, and 32. These are the 5 age of 5 people, and we are implementing the rank function. Okay, when we implement the rank function, it assigns 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3. This will be the rank it is assigning. Okay, but when just hold on. When we are implementing this dance function, that is dance underscore rank, then how dance rank will be assigned? 30, that is obviously 1. 31, that is 2. Okay. 31, again, it is also on the rank 2, right? But here comes 32. So what will be the rank of this 32 here is not 3, it is 4, because now it is on position number 4. Okay. And 32, 32, so both are on position 4. If something else is there, like say it is again 33, suppose it's 33. Okay. So it will assign a rank of 4 here. But dance rank will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is on rank 6. So this is how the difference in between the rank assignments and the dance ranks. Got it? Got the difference? Having any confusion in between these two? Because these are the two functions that are very frequently used in practical projects, because you need to assign the rankings, or you can say a serial number according to particular data, or you need to put the indexes. Then you need these rank functions. So this is how the difference in between these two. Let me know if you have the confusion in between these two, rank and dance rank. Any confusions in between these two? Yasin?
No, good.
Okay. Okay. So this is how this is the difference between the dance rank and a rank is there. So a lot time, many time, you will observe the uses of these two ranking systems. Okay. Now have the next one, calculate the running total of salaries in ascending order of employee ID. So here again, I need my join, this one, and this one also I need. Okay, let's run it, then see. Yes. So here we are calculating the running total. And basically, what is running total? According to the salaries, we are calculating the running total. So understand, all the things are same. First name, last names, employee ID, salary. Then what is the function? Calculating the sum of the salaries. Okay. And then order it by employee ID in ascending order. Okay. So what it will do, it will sum one by one, right? Otherwise, what some function will do, it will summarize all the salaries. It will give you the total of the salary only. But here we ordered it according to the employee ID in ascending order, right? So what it will do, the salary of first, this one. Now it will be added to the second one, this one. This total salary now will be added to the third one, that will be this one. So it will be added to the fourth one, this one. It will be added to the sixth one, again getting the running total. So consecutive addition of the numbers or the what data that whatever you have is your running total salary. Uh, in running total salary, I have the data of salary only. That's why I use salary. Otherwise, in salaries running total, if you want to calculate what you want to see, that what is the total amount. Okay, what is the total amount I am distributing among the employees. You can partition by also accord, according to the job titles, right? So you can easily divide the total salary for the each department. Even if you want to calculate the total sum, like uh, if you are calculating the sales, okay, and what exactly you want to identify that, okay, every day I need the updates that how much sales is increasing, what is the total sales now I have, correct? So in that way, you can calculate it by running total, correct? So this is how running total functions are also working. Okay. So in Power BI also we will see a lot of these kind of functions, running total, salary related things, total sum of the sales, like that. Let's see the next one. Lagging function. Lagging function, what happens in lagging function? Let me combine this one first. Here, order by this one, employees. See, what happening here? Here, it is to be assumed that who will be the manager and how it is going to be there. Among these two, among these two, which one is the lagging one? Okay. So in this, I just want to see the salary of the previous one. Lagging, it means previous or behind, right? So whatever the salary is there for the previous employee, you can compare it by the previous employee or like that. So here you can see that for the first one, you understand there is no previous salary. So for the PAM, here the previous salary is of Jim. For Grit, the previous salary is of Pam, right? Just like that. Okay. So you can see that what kind of different functions you can use in window functions. So that's why these are also known as the window functions, where just by a small query, you can generate very important uh, results out of it. Okay? Just like lag, you can use leading also. Okay. If you will replace it by lead, then the reverse will be happening. Okay. So these are the same examples that we have. Job title, age, partition by this we already done. So here you have lead. So here you can understand what is the difference between the employees and the next highest salary. So in that way it works. Again, we have a salary. This is partition by gender and order by. Yes, this thing is new. So we can consider this one, that it is not only that in over function, you can use both these functions like partition by and order by simultaneously. Okay. So partitioning it by the gender and then order by it in ascending order by the salaries. So the ranking will be according to the salaries, but again, within genders, it is ordered by the salary also. So what you will get into this particular function, that is, you will say, uh, according to the genders, I can find who have the maximum salary and who is on the minimum salary. So according to that particular criteria, you can identify the maximum and minimum salary within the genders, right? So let's check. Are we right? So here, here you can see there are three females. Okay, and now the dense rank is assigned as per the gender, but according to the highest and the lowest salary rankings. Higher rank, higher salary, first rank; lower salary, lowest rank. Okay, and it is divided now into uh, according to genders, right? These are the functions basically that are come under our mind when we are familiar with the data and exactly when we know what is our requirement. Okay. If we understand that this is our particular requirement, then definitely we can think to create the function like this, to having this kind of customized columns by calculated fields. Got it? Let me save this file and share it with you all. Yes, yesterday's sessions are also not shared. I will just share by just after this session. I shared this file in your shared folder, as well as I am sharing it here also. Okay. These are the advanced things that we are doing. So you need to do a lot of practices along with it. Okay. Just try to look into these functions. Okay. And try to modify these functions. Okay. If you will modify these functions initially, then even you will get a lot of things out of it. And later on, you can create your own window function also. Correct? Fine.